Good morning. This is Keith Neal from Morning Cup of Keith, your creativity coach. And today I'm taking ownership. I think it's really good for us to disconnect from the internet and just get outside and just really enjoy nature, connect with nature. So let's go for a walk. Let's have some fun. Let's take a moment and just listen to the outdoors. I know there's a little bit of road noise over there, a little too close to the road. I'm out here near a pond. I'll show you that pond here. Let's just spin around like this. You can see the pond behind me. It's really cool. So why is it important for us to get outside, for us to get reconnected with nature? It's because we spend way too much time online, and online it's a trap, all this stuff about meta this, meta that, and it really takes away from your time. I'm not sure if you know how much time people take when they're online, take away from themselves. And remember, you can't get time back. You can make money back, but you can't make back time. And so getting connected with nature is just essential to your, not just to your mental health, your physical health, and just really having that connection, reconnecting with nature. Take time, take ownership, take time to disconnect from the internet and get out into nature here and just listen to the nature. I don't know if you can hear the bird there. It's bird sounds. There's, cicadas, just a lot of different sound. And if we look a little bit long enough, you might be able to see some turtles out here too. So it's really just good. It's good for us to just get away and just get into nature. If you can clear your schedule and do a weekend somewhere, 3 days of just being off that internet, just taking a break from that and just really getting out into nature, unadulterated, unengineered, just straight beautiful nature is what we want to do. All right, I'm just gonna flip the camera around here so you can see what I'm looking at. So I hope this whole walk in nature makes you like, go, I need this too. It makes you crave it. Makes you want to go find the nearest park in your area and just get out and just get away as far as you can from road noise, as far as you can from the internet. Try to put your phone down. I know in this case I have to use my phone because it's my camera, but I'm not online. I'm not on the internet right now. And so do these things. These things are when you reconnect yourself with nature and fresh air. You're going to be amazed at how much better you're going to feel And your eyes won't be so tired because you're not staring at a screen. So find your park today. Take time to disconnect from internet, online, and immerse yourself in nature. Thanks for watching, and see you back on here again soon.